Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to master Canva in just 5 minutes. Whether you are a total beginner or just want to make your designs look professional fast, by the end of this video, you'll be able to create stunning posts, thumbnails, and more, all for free. Let's jump right in. So once you open Canva, you'll see tons of templates in here. So you can start by choosing what you want to make: Instagram post, poster, resume, invitation, mobile video, Facebook post, or other. So Canva already has the perfect size for you. Just click on create a design and type what you need. Super easy. Let's say I'm going to create an Instagram story in here. So if you're not sure where to start, you can just use the template sections. It's full of beautiful ready-to-use design. So I'm going to, let's say, use this one to create a quote Instagram story. You can tap on customize this template. And then you can just add some personality. You can click on elements in here to find shape, icons, stickers, or animations. You can even search for things like for example, in here, aesthetic background. Okay, let's see. I'm going to change the background of this videos right here. Let's go with photo. I'm going to change it with this one. So just right click on it and choose set image as background. So this is how it will look like now. And if you want to make your design pop, you can use the effects tab to add shadow, to add glow or curve. This one. And don't forget, Canva also support videos and music. So if you're designing for social media, you can use that. And once you're happy with your design, it's time to download it. You can click on the share button, tap on download, and you can choose PNG for image or JPG, and MP4 for videos, or even PDF for print. And if you want a transparent background or higher quality, Canva Pro has those options. In here you can modify it, but the free version already gives you a lot. So that's how you can master Canva in just 5 minutes. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Thank you for watching and happy designing.